Hey, what's up everybody? You're watching Rookie to Pro FRS and I'm your driver, Lovin's Presume. Now, I got some stuff for the FRS. It ain't anything crazy, it's not turbo or anything. I know that's what you guys want, I wanted to. But, you know, I just gotta make sure the car's running great. I got some spark plugs. Gonna try to replace it myself because the labor costs, I know it's a boxer engine, but it's crazy. So I've gotta save some money. Gotta replace this coil pack. There's some bumper sag on the front, and I got a new, it's like a plastic piece that goes in there. We'll see how it turns out. You guys know how it is. I gotta make sure the car's running healthy, looking good. Hey, just some words of advice, guys. When you're getting car parts, make sure you do your research because everything I got at a better rate. I'm doing an oil change right now as well. Got those cheaper at Walmart, and just like right next door was Advanced Auto Parts. They were charging crazy more. Even with the bracket parts and everything, I got them online, saved a few bucks here and there, and it really adds up, guys. We all work hard for our money, so just take the time, do your research, and I promise you, you'll be a lot happier. This was the issue I've been having. Whenever I have a vibration or whatever, it'll loosen up and it just doesn't look good. For a second there, I thought that the bin that I purchased wasn't enough to hold the oil because it was about to overflow. Got a little dirty, but I'm good. Well, I already moved the strut brace out the way and this cover that was blocking the spark plugs, but I already dropped one of the bolts down there. But hopefully this magnet thing helps me get it back. I was able to get the old coil pack out. Apparently this is the one that was giving me issues. But dang, it's a tight fit. So you guys can see, this was the old one. Looks pretty worn out. This is the new one. It took me so long to take it out, but that's one of 4. This is the tool I was using earlier to try to fit in here. And as you can see, look at that. What? No clearance. I had to invest in the smaller one. And well, check this out. I don't want to drop it though, but look at all the room I got now. See that? So I'm glad I got this one. I was able to get the back one out a lot easier. Yo guys, I got number 2 out. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, that needed replacing. The crazy thing about this is they would charge me $600, $500 or whatever to do this. It's not that hard. Yo, we work too hard for our money. Hey everybody, I'm super happy. So this spark plug thing that I did, it fixed the problem. If I can find that picture, I'll post it, but I no longer have that issue. When I'm full throttle, it pushes, and when I'm in the corners, the traction control light doesn't keep popping up. So now I can really enjoy the car. So if you guys have that same issue, if you have these lights, make sure you get an inspection. From like a free inspection or something, and if they say Coilpack 1 or spark plugs, replace it, do it yourself, save some money, and you'll see, you'll have a blast. So I know this was a little different, but thank you guys for watching. I'm so happy, guys. All right guys, signing off. Peace.